Finally, after 2 years of, waiting, I'm confident that my Vietnam photo tour will be a reality now in 2022. It's scheduled for 28th of August until 8th of September. And it's gonna be awesome. Let me tell you a little bit about it.
Say the more we drink special amber, special amber, special amber. More we drink special amber.
What can I say? This is one of my highlights. I'm gonna lead a group of like-minded people who want to make beautiful photos and just experience Vietnam. This is not just a photo tour. This is a journey. We will travel across Vietnam, all the way from Hanoi to Saigon. Actually, we go a bit more north than Hanoi. We go basically to the Chinese border, but then we end the tour in Saigon. We will meet and get to know interesting people, eat local food, which by the way, it's so good. Experience different culture and just have fun with good people. And on top of that, you will create amazing photos. 2 professional photographers will help you achieve that. We will take you to the best places at the best time to visit those places, teach you how to shoot, show you and teach you how to understand light. This is extremely important, and we do know light. A common question I get with people who are interested in doing this tour is, I'm not exactly a photographer. I like to take photos, but I'm not a photographer. That's fine. You only need to want to make great photos. We will help you achieve that. We will teach you and show you what you need to know to get amazing results. And also, if you're a seasoned photographer, if you know basically what you're doing, you can still do this tour. I'm sure between the 2 of us, our photo guides, we have something that would add to your knowledge. And also, you just can take the full advantage of those amazing locations. We will bring you there, we will show you the ropes, and then you can just shoot your heart out. These are small groups, only 8 photographers, so you will get a lot of attention. And like I said, this tour is for everybody, from beginner to advanced. If you're interested in people, culture, and getting amazing shots, this is for you. This is a very spouse-friendly tour, meaning that if you take your significant other with you on that tour, they will never get bored. We are not like stuck in a mountain shooting landscape for hours. We are more in more happening places. There's a lot of people, a lot of stuff to see, so nobody is gonna get bored on this trip. My local guy, Ninh Von Phuc, is perhaps Vietnam's premier all-around photographer. His photography is amazing. He's well connected with superb understanding of composition and light. And more importantly, the people of Vietnam. He's a magician. Very commonly we are walking somewhere and he managed to spot something amazing. He approaches people, gets them to agree being photographed, he makes something up. This kind of interaction, to have somebody with this ability to interact with people like this, is priceless. And this has helped me to get amazing shots. I would say a lot of my best stuff from Vietnam is from scenes like that, where he just made something happen. And this is very difficult to do on your own. If you're traveling alone, this is very difficult because in most of the places we are visiting, nobody speaks English, and so you will need a bridge, some fixer or some guy who understands photography and can relay based on that to the people he is talking to. He knows what to ask for, and so this will maximize your options to get great stuff. This is a packed tour. We wake up early and we shoot until past sunset. This is not what you would call like a relaxed vacation. It's go time, the whole time, and it is fun, it's a blast. It's not uncommon that people tell me that this experience, these tours are one of the best or even the best experiences they ever had. At least this is what we are aiming for, to give you the best experience and the best opportunities to get amazing shot possible. So why do this tour rather than doing it on your own? Well, I'm a seasoned traveler. I travel a lot. And I'm very able to take care of myself. I can approach people. But to be able to plan a tour like this on my own would take a long time. And with no connections and not being able to communicate with the people probably, I would miss out a lot. Travel time getting between locations, that would at least double. And just simple things like, in some places, just to find a place to eat can be a challenge, a safe place to eat. And you're hungry and you wanna grab something before you head on to the next place. It can take a while. Just small things like that. You're just taking a lot of time away from actual shooting time and time where you can just enjoy the experience. And on top of that, you have two experts, photographers with you to teach you, to make sure you're getting the frame. The price tag is $460 a day for everything. Us two photographers, a regular guide, the hotels, the meals, the all transport, domestic flights, and boats, ferry rides, everything, model fees, all entrance fees, everything is included. So date and price. It begins August 25th and it ends September 8th, 2022. The price for the whole thing is $6,900 per person. Like I said, that's a $460 price tag a day for double occupancy. Single room supplement is $990. It's a 15-day tour. The maximum number of photographers is 8, but the number of passengers could be higher if there are any spouses traveling with us. So 8 is the maximum number of photographers, so that's like on every given location, there are only 4 people per photography guide. It's suitable for all levels of photographers. Like I mentioned earlier, even if you're just a beginner or just a photo enthusiast, this is for you. If you're an expert, if you just need our help to get you between locations and introduce you to the locations, this is also for you. So I hope you can join us on this amazing photo journey. These 2 years, they have not been easy for anyone. And now I think it's time to move on, do something amazing. And right now, this is the best I have. For more info and registration, you can use the link down in the description, and there's also like here in the corner. And thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, I'm assuming that you're interested, so check it out. Thank you for watching and goodbye.